Growth investing versus value investing. Which is better? When it comes to investing, two strategies stand tall: growth investing and value investing. Both have legions of supporters, and both have built fortunes for savvy investors. But which one is better? The answer lies in understanding the core principles, advantages, and potential pitfalls of each. This essay unpacks the key differences and offers a guide to navigating these two powerful investing approaches. Growth investing. Betting on the future. Growth investing is all about identifying companies that are expected to expand at a rate faster than the market average. These companies often operate in innovative sectors such as technology, biotechnology, and renewable energy. Growth investors look for businesses reinvesting profits into expansion rather than distributing dividends. Key features of growth investing. 1. High potential returns. Growth stocks like Tesla and Amazon have delivered astronomical returns over the past decade. 2. Focus on innovation. These companies are pioneers, often disrupting industries and redefining markets. 3. Volatility. Growth stocks can experience wild price swings, requiring investors to have a strong stomach. Real-life example: Amazon, now a tech giant, was once a small online bookstore. Early investors saw its potential and were rewarded with unprecedented gains. In 1997, its IPO priced shares at $18. By 2023, those shares were worth over $3,000 each, making early investors millionaires. Value investing. Finding hidden gems. Value investing, popularized by Warren Buffett, is about finding undervalued companies. These stocks are trading below their intrinsic value, often due to temporary setbacks or market inefficiencies. Value investors aim to buy these companies at a discount and profit as the market corrects itself. Key features of value investing. 1. Steady returns. Value stocks often pay dividends, providing consistent income. 2. Lower volatility. These companies are typically well established, making them less susceptible to market fluctuations. 3. Long-term perspective. Patience is crucial as value stocks may take time to recover. Fun fact: over the past 100 years, value stocks have outperformed growth stocks by about 3% annually. However, during the tech boom of the 2010s, growth stocks dominated. Can you have both? Why not both? A balanced portfolio often includes a mix of growth and value stocks, allowing investors to benefit from the strengths of each strategy. This approach provides stability through value stocks and the potential for high returns through growth stocks. Pro tip: use dollar cost averaging to invest consistently over time, reducing the impact of market volatility. For example, investing $500 monthly in both types of stocks can help you build wealth without trying to time the market. Conclusion: tailoring to your goals. The battle between growth and value investing isn't about choosing a winner. It's about understanding how each strategy aligns with your financial objectives. Whether you're inspired by Tesla's meteoric rise or Coca-Cola's reliable dividends, the key is to stay informed, disciplined, and patient. Video content creation. For a compelling video using Pictory.ai. Visuals: use stock market charts, historical growth data, and examples of companies like Tesla and Coca-Cola. Narration: highlight the strengths and risks of each strategy, using engaging language to simplify complex concepts. Call to action: encourage viewers to explore a mix of both strategies for a balanced investment approach. This essay provides not just information but actionable insights, making it ideal for an educational yet engaging video script.